Trying to edit 4K video or high-res photos on a sluggish tablet is a nightmare. The lag, the inaccurate colors, it kills your creativity. So I bought the top 5 tablets for creatives, from dedicated drawing pads to powerful all-in-ones, and put them through some heavy editing sessions. I wanted to see which ones can actually handle the workload. Here is what I found. Product number 1, iPad 11-inch Standard. I started with the standard 11-inch iPad. Honestly, for the price, the Liquid Retina display is stunning. When I was editing photos in Lightroom, the True Tone feature kept the colors looking natural even when my room lighting changed. It's running the A16 chip, which isn't the absolute newest, but it sliced through my 1080p video edits without stuttering once. It supports the USB-C Apple Pencil, and drawing on it felt responsive, though I missed the pressure sensitivity of the Pro models sometimes. The multitasking with iPadOS is great. I could have my reference photos open on one side while sketching on the other. If you are a student or a hobbyist who wants a powerful, colorful screen for editing and drawing but doesn't want to spend pro-level money, this is the perfect entry point. Product number 2, Teclas T65 Android Tablet. Next, I tried something different, the Teclas T65. This thing is massive with a 13.4-inch screen. When I first turned it on, the extra screen real estate was awesome for viewing my video timelines. The 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling through clips feel incredibly smooth compared to standard 60Hz screens. It's running Android 16 and the interface is clean. However, while the screen is big, the color accuracy isn't quite on Apple's level. But for cutting rough edits or managing files, it works fine. The 8000 mAh battery lasted me a full day of mixed use. If you need a huge canvas for a budget price and prefer the open Android file system over Apple's walled garden, this is a surprising value option that gives you a lot of space to work. Product number 3, Wacom Intuos Small. Now this isn't a standalone tablet but a dedicated drawing interface. I plugged the Wacom Intuos Small into my laptop and the difference in control was immediate. The pen feels exactly like pen on paper. There's a texture to the surface that glass screens just don't have. It doesn't have a battery, so the pen is light and never needs charging. I used it for precise masking in Photoshop, and the pressure sensitivity allowed me to feather edges in a way I just can't do with a mouse. It comes with creative software included, which is a nice bonus. It's tiny, so it fits in my laptop bag easily. If you already have a powerful computer and just need a precise tool for retouching photos or digital painting, this is the industry standard for a reason. Product number 4, Wacom Intuos Medium Bluetooth. I also tested the medium version of the Wacom Intuos, and that extra surface area made a huge difference for my arm movement. I felt way less cramped than on the small one. The Bluetooth connectivity is my favorite part, being able to sit back on my couch with just the tablet in my lap while my computer was on the desk felt very freeing. The setup was simple, and having those customizable buttons at the top let me map my most used shortcuts like undo or brush size right to the tablet. It sped up my workflow significantly. If you are serious about illustration or professional photo retouching and need a wireless setup that gives you room to sweep your arm, the Medium is worth the upgrade. Product number 5, iPad Pro 12.9-inch M1. Finally, I fired up the 12.9-inch iPad Pro with the M1 chip. This machine is a beast. The Liquid Retina XDR display is hands down the best screen I've ever looked at. The blacks are perfect and the HDR content pops. I edited multiple streams of 4K video in DaVinci Resolve and it didn't even get hot. It has the LiDAR scanner, which is cool for AR. But for editing, the Thunderbolt port is the real win for transferring huge files quickly. If you are a professional photographer or videographer and you need a portable studio that is just as powerful as your laptop, this is the ultimate tool, period. Whether you need a dedicated drawing surface or a full-blown editing computer in your backpack, one of these will speed up your workflow. I've left links to all 5 in the description below so you can check the current specs and prices. Thanks for watching, and go create something awesome.